Hi there, I'm Alex from the Yoga Space. I just want to introduce you to one of the most fundamental poses in yoga, which is the downward dog. So this is a wonderful tool to be able to elongate the spine, which loosens the spine, which loosens all the upper parts of the body. It uses gravity as your friend to allow you to elongate all the way through those vertebrae. It's great for anybody who has neck injuries, shoulder injuries, or just to build strength within the body. Okay, so I'm just going to take you through this pose, the downward dog. So what I want you to do first of all is you just bring your hands nice and flat down onto the mat and place them strongly down, so opening the fingers nice and wide. And then ensuring that the shoulders are directly over the wrists and then the hips over the top of the knees. And then from here you're going to press strongly down to the hands, you're going to curl the toes underneath, then you're going to lift. You're going to take that spine up towards the ceiling. You're going to reach with those sitting bones up towards the ceiling. Now from here, the most important aspect is to have the spine nice and straight. So from the heels of the hands all the way to the sitting bones, you've got a nice straight line. Okay, now from here, we're going to get even higher. We're going to lift a little bit further. So we're taking the toes up onto the tiptoes and then releasing those heels down towards the floor. And try not to lose that elongation through the spine. So lifting through those sitting bones, opening up those vertebrae one by one. And then breathing deeply. By breathing deeply, it relaxes the mind, allows you to focus on the breath, which helps to release stress and strain. And then slowly coming down, bringing the knees back to the floor, and then just coming back into a comfortable sitting position. So come and find out more about the benefits of yoga. Come and join us at the Yoga Space. We'd love to meet you. We have a safe environment for people, non-judgmental. We're a community-based yoga studio right in the heart of the city. Yeah, we'd love to see you. Come and join us.